This video is part of our first day in Birmingham. We took this after stuffing ourselves with pizza from Zizzi. I actually thought we were recording footage of us eating and showcasing the pizza, but clearly we were so overwhelmed with the pizza that we forgot to press record. Anyway, this is the doggy bag, and then we walked. We were so full and so heavy that I felt like we were walking backwards. And then, oh, that's Zizzi, that's the view. It's really beautiful. We could have actually taken a short route back to the hotel, but we wanted to see the mailbox one more time, and so we decided to take the long route. And here's the passageway that would have led us back to the hotel quicker, faster, but we had to see this view one more time, and we had to see it in the evening because it was absolutely beautiful during the day, and we wanted to see how it transforms in the evening. And look at that. This was well worth it. Look at the waters sparkling. Look at all the lights glimmering. And this white bench with the flowers, this is a design I want somewhere in my house. Could be the bedroom, could be the bathroom, the garage, outside, I don't care. Just as long as I have this somewhere in my house. And so we walked through